G'day guys and welcome back. In this video you're going to see what is probably to date one of my most favourite achievements, I would have to say. I've achieved a lot to date, up to my age of 28, still doing what I do. From building the Tirana to top 60, Summonats, running 9s with the Tirana, going over to the VL, we've done drag challenge, strip machine features and so on. Super appreciative of achieving all those things. They mean a lot to me. So whatever I've put my head down and bum up towards, I have achieved, and I'm super grateful for that, and also the people around me that have helped me achieve that. So this video here will show you the work that's gone into this trip, the emotions that were high, and in achieving my 7-second goal. I didn't think it would be probably this soon in the year or this soon in my time of the car, but the people around me have made that really possible, and I can't thank them enough. So tune into this video. It's an absolute cracker. I wish I did more talking probably in between the runs and letting people know what was going on, but I chose to leave the camera in the car between runs and not video every minute of my life, so to speak, over there, and just soak it all up and take it in, because this trip was probably one of the best trips I've done to date, and it really means a lot to me. So tune in, check it out. If you haven't already, like, subscribe to the channel, and yeah, let us know what you think. It's gonna be a fucking ripper. Welcome back. In this video we are going to be heading off to see the VL, because if you can recognise the background, you might be familiar with it. We're at Adelaide Airport because I decided that a week ago I would send the VL off to Perth last minute, and as I said in the previous video, I wasn't going to race the car until it was put on a dyno and a decision was made to send the car to Perth. It's been there since last Friday, today being Wednesday afternoon, and I'm just about to fly out with my partner Lisa and my dad, who absolutely loves to be filmed. Not. So Jeff's picked up a few problems and they've been fixed, so we'll get over there, hopefully get the car ready to run up on the dyno, and I'll get a few videos of it, and hopefully, fingers crossed, it runs all good. So I arrived safe and sound last night, went to a mate's place. He picked us up from the airport, gave us a car to borrow, which has been absolutely excellent. Thanks Jay for doing that. We're just at a location now after Jeff and his electrician John has spent the last probably 2-3 days working on the car, cut a whole heap of wiring out of it, and made it a whole lot better. Lots of problems here and there which have been in the car for some time, hopefully sorted now. So we're just at a location, bolting the car up on the hubs, and we're just about to run it up and hopefully get some footage and show you all how it goes. Hopefully no dramas, and if we do encounter any, we can sort them out before we go test this car. What's today? Thursday. Tomorrow we test Friday, and maybe Saturday we'll see how we go. So stay tuned. We'll head into the dyno now and see how it all goes.
Oh yeah. Give it to me, baby. Give me something. Something. Whew. Shoots out.
Fucking ripper.